Alright, good afternoon everybody. Welcome to a little bit later in the day, I guess, your favorite beverage and questions, if you're still drinking coffee and questions, I guess. So, what's today's topic? I'm going to talk about sanding drums. You can see in front of me, if you watched the last video, these are what Justin Dow and he came down with his plasma cutter. He's my son, and we cut these all out with that new plasma cutter from Harbor Freight. I'd encourage you to look at the video. That's a nice tool to have, but we're talking about sanding drums. Now I have two types. I have the ones from Harbor Freight. That's right here. And are they any good? I think they're okay. I've been using these for a couple of years or more now. They're fairly easy. I mean, there's a tube in here. You just take it out, wrap sandpaper around it, your choice. Slip that little tube back in, which is like right here in that hole, and it keeps the sandpaper in here tight. Put it in your drill press, put it on your drill, and this is great for getting into curves and things where you normally could not get into. It also has a set screw up here on top where you could take this little mandrel out if you ever needed to. I haven't had a need to do that, but you could. So here's a large. This is kind of like, you know, around a medium up to the large right here. This is kind of like the next size down, and then you have this smaller one. So you can get into different kinds of concave areas using these. So these have worked fine. If you get them on sale and you're an intermittent user, I think those are great. Now the other set that I got right here, it's really dirty. I got this off Amazon. I think it's a little bit better in quality, and I'm going to show you the ads right now on the Harbor Freight one, and I'll be right back. Alright, now let me show you the ads on the Amazon one right now, and we'll be right back for questions and answers. Okay, so what do you get in this kit that I like? Okay, let's open it up. Right here. You get all of the sanding ones. Now, you're not getting them as big as this one, of course. So this is large, down step, down step, down step, down step. So you're getting 5 of these where I only have these 4, and you get some extra sanding sleeves, you get some extra mandrels in here, and you get a little wrench. Okay, it comes in a blow molded case, kind of nice. So do the other ones. Okay, so then you can just close them up, slip them away somewhere, and these come in really handy. I would encourage you, if you can get them on sale and you're doing any kind of woodworking or even for metal, I've used these on metal to, like on some of these surfaces like you see here that are cut out. Once I go over this with, like, say a 4.5 inch angle grinder and I clean it up, if I wanted to polish it up a little bit more, I can use one of these and I can actually get into some of the curves a little bit easier than you can with that 4.5 inch angle grinder. Now, you can also use on this that Tack Life rotary tool. You can use Harbor Freight hand files, which I have. I have all those things because they're inexpensive and they come in real handy. This is a nice addition to your sanding. I would encourage you to take a look at it. I'll leave you the links below on the one to Amazon. You can read the reviews, and this is the one that I got, and it's a great kit. So I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe. I hope you keep following me. If you know something out there, I mean, that's a better deal than this, I mean, go ahead and drop it in the comment below. You can, and I will also leave you the link below, you can buy sleeves for these right here. Now, with these are a sleeve that actually fits over it tightly, and when you tighten down this nut, it expands that, it pushes a rubber, expands it, and holds it real tight. So for these, you have to buy the additional sanding discs, or the drum sleeves. These are incredibly durable. I like these because I can just change them out myself to any sandpaper I have around, or if you buy the hand sandpaper at Harbor Freight, Klingspor, online, whatever, you can fit them on here. So this is nice for if you have sandpaper laying around. This is a little more durable, but you do have to buy the sleeves. Maybe a turn off to you, you might be better off with these that fit in there. I will leave you the links below on the ones from Amazon where you fit them in like this, like the sleeve, as well as the Harbor Freight one. And this is the other one where you actually have to buy the drum sleeves. You know something better, drop it in the comment below. I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe and keep following me. Thank you folks. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.